Hello guys, welcome to Agz&Chad Living the Dream vlog, and today's vlog I am going to show you how to do the One Health Pass because we are already here in the Philippines and that's one of the requirements for people who are coming here in the Philippines.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So this
I have never stayed in anything this small in my life, so this is the first time for everything. Hey, as long as I have air conditioning, I really don't give a shit. And snacks. Air conditioning and snacks, I'm good.
So there's
but the air conditioning doesn't seem to be coming on, so we may have a fucking problem.
We're going to stay for 5 days.
In prison, this is like a jail cell for real. Jail cells are actually bigger than this, and we're staying in one.
Oh my god.
Definitely.
What is the size of this one there?
Not very big. That's the size. Not very big. It's a not very big size.
It's like it's not good to get
anything in here.
I mean,
we're gonna have this is maybe a 2-star hotel. What about a 5-star emergency if air conditioner doesn't come on?
So let's search One Health Pass. This website. Read the warning and click OK. So choose this E-HDC and then read the warning again and click OK guys. Have you already registered with One Health Pass? No, so that I will show you how. Alright, okay, and here it's asking when are you coming here in the Philippines. So let's say we are coming here on the 15th. Okay, once you put your date of arrival, you will see this one. So after you will read the important note, it says there that all the things with asterisk, you need to fill up those ones. Okay, so let's proceed. Last name, first name, middle name, suffix. Okay, if you have, you fill up. If you don't have, don't. So birth date, April. This one you need to delete this one and put your birth date. Okay, so it will automatically show your age, and then sex, civil status, and then nationality. Go with F, Filipino. PhilHealth number. If you don't have, just put NA. If you have, you can put passport number. So that's our passport number. This is fake information guys, eh? So local Philippine number. If you don't have, ask your family. So you can put a number here. There's an asterisk, so it's needed. Okay, and then email address guys. You need to put the right email address because you will receive an email if you forgot to take a screenshot of your QR. So the contact person guys, your relationship, his contact number. So let's copy the same number here. Okay, I don't know how to do the copy paste. Sorry, I don't know how to do the copy paste. Your address. So okay, so that's the address. Next will be the residence details. So this address must be your address. So after your quarantine, this is the place where you go, so you need to put the address here. So let's say our address is National Capital Region. Oh man, this one I don't know. City of Manila. What's this? Okay, so 4th district. So let's choose City of Makati. And Barangay East Rainbow. So once you fill up the place of where you will stay in the Philippines, next will be the travel details. So which port of entry in the Philippines? So airport and seaport. Let's choose airport. Most people use airport, right? And then aircraft passenger or flight crew. So aircraft passenger. So after that one, travel itinerary. So where are you coming from? Let's say we're coming from Bahrain. And city of port of exit. Let's say just say Bahrain, guys. And then arrival. Where's the terminal? Okay, or which place you are arriving? So let's say Terminal 3. And then airline. Let's say Emirates. And then flight number. If you cannot find your flight number here, you can choose others, and then you will put it here manually. So but if you have here, just choose it here. So let's choose 324. Alright, when are you coming? So let's say 15. And then if you know your seat number, you put. If not, leave it. There's no asterisk anyway. So with ongoing COVID-19 community transmission, yes. Okay, next will be what type of traveler are you? So we are OFW, guys. And then documented. Occupation, land-based or sea-based? Land-based. Are you a vacationing OFW? Said yes. Employer's name. Let's say this is our employer's name. Okay, after that, current workplace. No need to fill up this one, guys. It's up to you. There's no asterisk, so it's not needed. So no need for me to put anything there. And then let's proceed. Vaccine information. Have you been vaccinated? Yes. So right now the IATF, if you are unvaccinated, you will quarantine for a longer time. But if you are vaccinated, it's 5 nights only in the quarantine. And then first dose, yes. So let's say our first dose was January 31. Which vaccine? Let's say we got Sinopharm. If you know the batch number, you can put the batch number. And then which country? Bahrain. Region, no need for those ones. And then first dose adverse event, like have you felt any side effects? So we will put no. And then remarks if you have. Second dose, you're asking for the date and month. So let's say we got it March 1. Okay. Name of vaccine, Sinopharm. And batch number. Country, Bahrain. Okay. Again, no. So when you're done with the vaccine record, you will upload your vaccination certificate here. Okay, so just upload 2 pictures. That's what I did. And then proceed to the next one. If you did a PCR within 72 hours, you put yes, and then you will upload the result here. So anyhow, in the Philippines, they are not asking PCR with QR. So without QR, it's fine. So just upload the PCR result that you have. Okay. And here in the vaccination, what we have in the country that we were vaccinated, that's the one we show. Like me, I showed the certificate that the Bahrain issue. And for my husband, he showed also the certificate that the US issue. So we have no problem with that one in the airport. They accept it. And then next will be countries traveled. Okay, so have you been, what countries you visited in the last 30 days? So let's say we visited Bahrain, and then we visited Thailand. Okay. So just find the country. Alright, so exposure history. So just read this one, guys. History of exposure to non-travel. No. Okay. Have you been in a place with COVID-19 transmission? No. Okay. Just read those ones, guys, and click your answer. So clinical information. Have you been sick in the past 30 days? No. And then if you, and then just choose what kind of sickness you suffered. Then after you read all those ones, guys, after you read this one, and then you click this one. Okay. Once you click that one, you enter the CAPTCHA. Okay. You must enter it right, because it won't proceed. You will not get your QR. And then you will click submit. So in my case, I did my application of One Health Pass 2 times. First, I click submit, but the QR didn't show up. And then I do it again. And then the QR show up, and then I receive an email. And for my husband, I did for him 3 times continuously, because I keep doing it and submitting. I'm checking if I put the information all right. They're all right, but the QR is not showing up. So for him, I did 3 times, and then the 3rd time he got the email and the QR. And then for me 2 times. So don't worry, just keep doing it. He's so happy now. He's outside the airport.
I'm alive. I'm here.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the taxi, and we're going to our quarantine.
But supposedly they're supposed to. What I'm being told is I get 3 meals a day. I like to snack between meals. I didn't get any snacks, and we may have. This may be the. I've been deployed to combat zones. I've been through a lot of shit. This may be the worst 5 days of my life.